Kaya sinimulan na namin ang paghahanap ng bagong Lola's playlist. Gumraduate na si Francis.
Sa madaling salita, pinatigil na natin.
Oo, gumraduate.
Tama na.
Give
Tama
chance
na,
to
baka wala
others.
nang tatalo sa'yo.
Tama na. Kota na.
Abang nanalo doon sa weekly at qualifying round, nagbabalik para sa chance mag-champion, kagaya ni Francis.
Yo.
Ang mananalo naman ay mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos at babalik para lumaban sa ating weekly finals.
Umpisa na natin ang throwback kantahan. Team Barangay, sino pambato nyo diyan?
Eto na nga.
Grade 5, sa Patunayan, Kalahan Elementary School.
Ang kakantahin niya ay ang 1975 hit song ni Martha Reeves.
Uy, Margarita!
Martha Reeves. Ayan, from Cardona, Rizal. Here's 9-year-old Kate Francesca Ocampo para sa This Time I'll Be Sweeter.
Wow.
Darling, can't you see what losing you has done to me? I'm not the same girl I used to be. Have a change of heart. Don't leave me standing in the dark. Don't let confusion keep us apart. Come back to me, and I'll guarantee all the tenderness and love you'll ever need. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. I won't mess around. I won't let you down. Have faith in me. Have faith in me. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. I won't mess around. I will let you down. Have faith in me. Have faith Have faith in me.
Thank you very much, Kate.
And the winner is...
Wala
Wala
na.
pa. Number 2 pa eh.
Meron kami rito, ho.
Apo, sorry po.
Meron pa.
Oh, kami naman.
Ito, contestant number 2, grade 5 sa Mother Barbara Micarelli School mula sa Santo Tomas, Batangas.
Uy. Narito si Cristel Bello para kantahin ang 1979 hit ni John Warwick.
John?
Meron naman si
Dion
John.
pala, Dion. Kapali. I'll never love this way again.
You looked inside my fantasy and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I've kept the memories one by one since you took me. I know I'll never love this way again. So I keep holding on.
Beautiful.
And the winner.
Wala pa po.
Mamaya pa.
Thank you muna, Cristel.
Wala
Thank
pa,
you,
wala pa.
Cristel.
Wala pa.
Mamaya malalaman natin kung sino sa kanila ang panalo. Samantala ngayon, tayo'y bubunot.
Yan.
May babonok ka, boss.
Tayong bubo.
Meron, 59th wedding anniversary ni Papang Ando and Mamang Letty